Day 2. Day 1 was a wash. No one remembers day 1. So we're starting actually with day 2. This is the backyard of the 3-day hacienda compound.
I keep you here.
The morning cup of joe. As you notice, Richard is doing penance for last night.
I know. I don't even remember.
And the princess is cooking a breakfast.
Only princess?
Queen? There's queens 1, 2, and 3, and that rotates as depending on the mood.
Depending on who's in the kitchen.
There you go. Queen number one's cooking. Oh, look at this fridge. It's not a cabinet, it's an actual refrigerator. Oh my Lord, look at this. And every family's dream of an ice maker. Look at this bad boy.
How full is it this morning? We did a den on it last night.
We did. Right?
Can take pictures.
Okay, so you know we're on here. One more time.
And look at this stove. It's a 6-burner stove.
And a griddle.
And the griddle. Ain't beautiful? You have a text message. And in here is where the serious drinking took place, and we solved all the problems of the world. We call this the war room. You know, the great thing about a GoPro is that they have what's like a steady cam, so no matter how much you move around, the shots are steady.
Yeah.
I said, this is great. I've been drinking and you can't tell.
It's got a gyroscope in there.
No, it's
How do they stabilize it?
the sensor, the actual thing that records the video. It goes up, down, left, right, forward, back, and it tilts forward, and basically like all points on a compass.
Right.
So no matter what you're doing with this, and for example, here, go ahead, just hold it, and then just gently turn left and right. Just move it around.
Oh yeah.
And it can be more and more steady.
Yeah.
And so they actually have it so good. They have some of these things that are like this. They call them like a 360 camera. And what it does is,
It's just a post though, right? Okay, they're just the post that use wire on this side over here.
So you see there's like a trail that goes up there.
Okay,
Like
yeah.
a road where they
Right.
grow
as we watch Master Chef
Right.
Brim
Yeah.
clean the grill, notice his technique. The hands of a professional.
I was looking at your cup.
Oh, it's ready. More game with all cuts of curtains.
Oh, sun's out.
So which one are we going to now? The Nimitz Museum? There we go. Do what?
They've got draft beer,
Draft beer?
Yingling,
Yingling?
Dos Equis, Real Ale Hans Pills, oh, they got IPA, Buried Hatchet,
You thought some ice water?
Ice water, please.
Hey, we're still looking at the beer
We're
menu.
gonna do 3 separate checks. But I want to.
Let's do a full 360 here. Let's do a full 360 here.
This must be the migratory route, huh?
Okay, where are we going to now? The Pacific Combat Zone?
Maybe they'll have a demonstration.
I'm going to take my little excerpts from... I love the fact this thing's so steady. I like my hand that's shaking waiting for that third beer.
Little Juliet balcony.
Does it have a metal roof?
Yeah.
It has a metal roof.
But see those Juliet balconies, so your
Yeah.
windows completely open,
Right.
but you don't fall
Worry
out.
about-
Yeah. Surround the U-boat.
U-boats that close to them. Oh, they had balls.
And that's the road I came from. And that's the road I'm going down. And there's our two intrepid warriors. And there's the hacienda.